26th January, it is a very special day for India, very very special day. It's celebrated as a Republic Day for the India. Yes, 26th January is a Republic Day, India. Because on 26th January 1950, 26th January 1950, India can accept the constitution created by Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. India can accept, follow the constitution. Constitution means the rule through which we driven the country. The rule, we follow that rules, constitution, and we can, our country, drive our country. So it is very special day. We can create own rules. We not follow the British rules, but create the own rules. That is the constitution. So it is very special day. Share this information to the maximum so that they know that, understand that what is the speciality on 26th January. So it is Republic Day. Happy Republic Day to all of you. Share this information. Happy Republic Day. Thanks.